Okay, so this is going to be a Christmas update video. No, it's not. The Christmas potatoes have started growing at a rapid rate. So a couple of days ago I was down here, they had started shooting through the soil. I'd covered them up with a bit of Frass, but I've come back down here today and they've shot up again. So I'm going to take you with me this time to show you what I do to my potatoes and keep them growing. I'm going to be using the MAD Frass, just a little sprinkle on the top just to give it an extra boost, and then my bag of compost. Okay, so this is the potato so far. That one's got quite a lot coming up. Got a couple in there. Still waiting. I assume I planted 3 in there, so still waiting for the third one to come up. And then these guys as well. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to add in a layer of the MAD Frass, just a small kind of sprinkle on the top. Just a little sprinkle around. So the next job is then grabbing your compost and then covering the foliage that is poking through. This bag here, I am literally going to be filling right up to the top because the leaf's already past the top line, so I'm going to fill the bag right up to the top here. Alright, so now all the bags have been topped up with compost, this one all the way to the top. I'm going to just, same again, add a small sprinkle of the Frass on top. Okay, so that's it for today's video. It was just a quick video to show you exactly what I do to my potatoes as they're growing. As you would have seen at the end as well, I kind of gave the other potatoes that are coming near enough to the end, gave them a little sprinkle of the Frass as well, just to give them extra boost. Right, until next time, take care, bye.